and overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 14, verse 17 up to 20. And the king of Sodom went out to meet him, and after his return from the slaughter, Chedorlaomer and the kings that were with him at the valley of Ushabe, which is the king's dale. And Melchizedek, king of Salem, brought forth bread and wine, and he was the priest of the Most High God. And he blessed him and said, Blessed be Abram of the Most High God, possessor of heaven and earth. And blessed be the Most High God, which hath delivered thine enemies into thy hand. And he gave him tithes of all. So that's it. That the rescue of Lot from the hands of King Chedorlaomer and his allies were successful, and after that here comes the presence of King Melchizedek, which is the king and high priest at Salem. So that's it. That's the official title of King Melchizedek. And Abraham gave all of his tithes to the high priest, King Melchizedek, and God bless him.